Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design a social media post, be it a brand, a company, a business or anything at all. I'm going to show you how you can quickly do that using Canva in just few minutes. Alright guys, I just want you to stay to the end of this video because by the end I have something very important I would like to share with you. In fact, every single person that wants to make money online needs to hear this. So stay to the end of this video. At the end, I'm going to be sharing that little secret with you that will actually help your business to grow faster or to make more money on YouTube. All right, so without waste of time, we're just going to quickly dive in. All right, so we're just going to go ahead to open our Canva. All right, so when you've opened your Canva, we are just going to come right to create a design and click on this right here. All right, so you come to your search here now. This is where we're actually going to be searching for what we actually want to design for. If it's for Twitter, if it's for Facebook, if it's for Instagram, or whichever social media you want to use. All right, so now let's say we actually want to design for Instagram posts. So I'll just come here and put in Instagram. All right, Instagram posts. Now there are different sizes when it comes to this. Now we have Instagram posts, the portraits, we have Instagram posts, the square, we have Instagram post video. So all of this is what you need to be actually sure of before you continue. Now I'll be going for Instagram post square. All right, so when it opens up, it's actually going to be looking like this. Now what you need to do next now is for you to come over here and describe what you actually want. Now let's say I want for perfume. Let's say my business, what we do is actually we actually sell perfume and the rest of that. Now I want to actually design for perfume. You can decide to use for any, depending on any business your company actually do. If it's chocolate, if it's delivery, if it's home service and the rest of that, you can decide to design for anyone. All right, so I could just scroll down here. Now let's say my business actually have a particular brand color, which is I want to actually be focusing my design on that color. I can simply come here, click on this, and then I can select a color. If the color is not here, I can come here, click on add a new design and select the color, or I put in the color code right here. All right, so let's say my brand color line. Good. Now, for those of you that actually maybe your country or the design you actually want to design for is not for English, maybe a particular kind of language, you can come here and then you select the language. If it's English, Indian, or whichever one, French, any language of your choice, you can come here to select this. But I'm just going to be using my default. Okay, so when I'm done with this, I can just continue. All right, so I actually selected the line and I didn't get any design for it, so that means I need to go and change it because there is no design that is having the line. Okay, let me say I want to use black. All right, I'll actually get for black, but why I would not prefer we go for black. Now this is actually something you want to post on social media, so you need to be specific. Like you need to make sure that whichever design you're putting there, it should be bright and catchy. So I can decide to go for orange or the light blue. Okay, so let me go for orange. This is my orange. Good. Now, I'm actually saying this because for those of you that maybe you don't have a brand color, you just want to design anything and then you put it, or along the line, can decide to change the color. We're going to see how we can do all of that as we proceed. Okay, so maybe you just want to use any color of your choice. You can go ahead and do it just this way. But if you have a brand color, you can use your brand color. It's all your choice. All right, so we're going to continue with this. Now, if I should actually scroll through, I'll be finding so many designs. Wow, in fact, all these designs are really nice. I can pick anyone. Now, I'm actually going to be picking this right here. Now, I'll click on this one that's inserted here. So now, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the reason why I picked this one. Now, the reason I picked this was because, number one, it has bright colors. Like, the colors are actually bright that even if I should actually put maybe my phone on dark theme, which is it should be on dark theme, I will actually get this. Even if I should still put it on the light theme, I also get this with my phone. Now this is actually bright, and the second reason I'm picking this is because it is straight to the point. Now somebody looking at this will actually know that yes, the person is actually selling perfume, and you can see they're actually doing 30% off, guys, for the discount. Elegant perfume, and then right down here is the website. Now if you should look at this, you see that this is actually nice. Okay, so now for those of you that maybe are saying I do not actually like this one, you can just simply scroll. You can scroll and then pick any one of your choice. Looking at this design, you see that in fact some of the colors are maybe this. Looking at this is white. This side is having white, and then this is having another color. So now let's say we actually want to shuffle these colors. To shuffle this, you come right here. This is where you find shuffle and you click on this. Now if you should click on this, you see that it has shuffled it. It has changed everything. Now, this was actually white, and then this was having this color, but you see this, it has shuffled it. So I can come back here again and click on shuffle again to change it again. All of this should just be your choice depending on which one you actually want to go for. So if I should actually scroll through, I'll find so many other designs, so many other nice designs you can also pick from here. All right, so I might just scroll through and pick another one. All right, so now looking at this, in fact, this is so amazing. This is almost perfect for what I want to. I deal on perfumes, and looking at this, definitely you will know that I am actually advertising a perfume. I can also decide to use it to run an ad. It's all up to me. All right, so if you should actually scroll, you still see some other designs. So now let's say we've picked our design. Now let's say I want to use this, and then you guys can actually use any one of your choice. Now we need to rearrange this. We need to work on all of this. First, we want to put in our logo here. So if you actually don't have a logo, and in fact you want to create your own logo, now I want you to move over to the comment section and type in, please give me a tutorial on how I can actually create a logo, and then I'm going to quickly, I need to be very sure that you guys need a tutorial on how you can actually create a logo, and then I'm going to get the tutorial done and I'll upload it for you guys. All right, so you can start to put in your logo there. I can just remove this and put in any logo. Now to put in your logo, if you have your logo on your laptop or on your phone, you can use either one in designing this. You don't really need to use your laptop. All right, so you can simply just come to your upload. On your phone, when you scroll down, you'll find the upload down, then you can upload your logo. All right, so let's say how you've actually inserted the logo. This is actually the logo I've inserted right here. All right, so then coming here now, I do not want to actually be using this. Now, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm actually going to zoom in. Good. Now, this, I will bring it down here. What I want to do is 50% discount. 50% discount is actually too much though, but you can tell your business I'm not really into that. So you can decide to use any the number of percent you actually want. So I'm going to be changing this to discount no matter how long it's going to be, because when they were actually putting in this here, they felt that okay, this is actually going to be short form for the discount, but we want to actually put it because not everybody will understand this. So I'm going to be putting in discount, then I will reduce this. All right, 50% discount, or let me reduce the discount so I don't run down my business. All right, so 30% discount. All right, so this is actually nice. Then coming up here, building promo, you can decide to put in something. All right, so let's say I'll put in to embrace the extraordinary. So looking at this now, you'll find that embrace and then the extraordinary is not actually looking really nice and catchy. So what I want to do now is to come here and extend this. I want it to be on same line with the other one. Good. Then looking in between them, you see that the spacing in between them is too much. So I'll just come right here and then letter spacing. I would reduce this. Okay, now good. This is good. So now it's actually touching this. If you notice, it actually touches. I need space here. There should be a space between this and this right here. So I could do well to reduce this one. I've clicked on it, then I'll just reduce this. Good. Embrace the extraordinary. Then I can decide to increase this one a little. Good. Embrace the extraordinary. Now, if you notice, if you should actually look at this, somebody that is actually a novice to this we actually find it difficult to read this embrace. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be changing the font for this. Now to change the font, you click on it, you come here, and then you scroll through to change the font. We're going to be using another stylish font, but something they can actually read easily. All right, so I'm actually going to be working with this one, but now I need to make it look more better like this, and then I can increase this. Just try and increase this. Embrace. All right, so this is it. Embrace the extraordinary. All right, so you guys can actually pick a topic for use for your social media, which is like what I'm having here is embrace the extraordinary. And in fact, your business, you know what best to actually use for it. Okay, so if I should actually scroll down a little, so I need to actually clean this now. I try to put in something there, or I can remove this entirely. All right, so here this is what I'm going to be writing. So I can reduce it a little. So I just need to try to avoid so much text on my design, because too many text on design can actually kill that design, I tell you. So I can just do well to, if possible, I can try to reduce some of what I'm having here, but this is the least I could actually do. So now then I can try to change this perfume. Maybe if I'm having images of my own perfume, I could just give it a very cool shots, and then remove the background and put it right here. So if you want to actually learn how you can remove the background from your picture, you can do well to check out the video right up there. All right, so you can do well to check out the video maybe after this one, or you can pause it, go and tap on it to check it out. So I could just scroll down. Now this is the last thing I'll be doing here, which is now I can put in my website right here. Now for those of you that actually having more than one, maybe you don't have a website, maybe your social media, you can do also put in your social media. It's actually necessary. All right, so you can put in your Instagram handle right there, or your Facebook, or whichever. You can add all of them right there. But for me, I'm actually having YouTube, so I'm just going to be putting in my YouTube handle right here. All right, so this is actually my learn digital skills. Okay, so I have my design ready, and this is it right here. So this is just the simple process on how you can actually design for your social media post. In fact, any one of your choice, you can just do it the same way. Then it's time for me to download this. I'll come right to my share here. Good, come down to download. All right, so anytime you're actually trying to download something from your Canva, it is best to use PNG. All right, then you go ahead and download this. And this is my design right here. In fact, this is so beautiful and amazing. All right, so I will so much appreciate if I see all of your designs. All you just have to do now is move over to the description. You find my Facebook link there, tap on it, and then share your design with me. I really want to see your designs. The design is going to actually motivate me to create more and more amazing tutorial for your business to grow faster. All right, guys, do not forget, subscribe, turn on the notification, because I'll be dropping more and more videos for you. All right, so when I actually started, I said by the end, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a little secret for your business. All right, so this is my little secret here. All right, so now remember I said it's actually for YouTube, right? Good. Now, for those of you that actually like you've created a YouTube channel, and in fact you've posted several times and it's still not growing. Now, this is a little secret. Now, for those of you that actually want to move into YouTube, making money on YouTube, now this is a little secret for you. If you actually want your channel to grow faster, now the first thing you need to do is after creating your YouTube channel, then you need to upload 3 videos at the same time on that channel. Upload it, and then after doing that, every week at least drop 3 videos. Every week, at least 3 videos. And I tell you, in the next 1 month or two, you are going to actually grow faster on YouTube. Now, I've also noticed for the past few years that I've been on YouTube, I've noticed that channels that you create today, you start uploading, it will actually be a little bit difficult for you to grow. But when you already have a channel, like after some months, then you started uploading, it will actually gives actually a better chance of it growing faster. This is what I've actually noticed. I've created so many YouTube channel over the years, and then I have noticed this. Now, it is just a little thing that you actually do on your YouTube channel that will actually make it go very faster. Uploading your videos and then feeling like, this video is actually going to be the best, it might turn out that that video would even fly very well. But the video that you feel that it won't actually go well, upload that video and I tell you it's going to grow very, very fast. Now, so many channels that I've actually helped, and in fact it has actually grown down to when they got monetized, they're actually doing very, very well. Now they are actually been following some of the things I'll be sharing with them. First thing, upload 3 videos at the same time. Then every week upload at least 3 videos in a week. Then if you do that, I tell you, you are going to get downright straight to monetizing. So for those of you that actually having just Instagram and you're designing social media posts, you can do well to try to upgrade your business by maybe educating people or creating a tutorial video for people on YouTube so that they can actually learn from your business. All right, so this is just the little secret I have to share with you guys. Do not forget, tap on that subscribe button, turn on notification. I'll be dropping more videos, and I would like to see your designs. Do not forget, check out the link in my description. Share your designs with me on Facebook. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in our next tutorial. And in our next tutorial, guess what? I'm actually going to show you guys how you can make money online using AI. All right, so check out the next video.